Hello, myself Govind Bora. I'm a student of Group 479 studying in Astana Medical University. Today I would like to give a short information on practice prognosis of pregnant women, how we will assess it, how we will do it. I can't go in a hospital as there is a corona in my area, in my society, so it's a ban in the area to go out. There is total 9 steps in which we follow it. First, the nurse or the doctor which we will go. Basically, first I will say what is the prognosis. Prognosis is basically to support a pregnant woman. How we will support it? How we will support it by 9 steps. The first steps will go. We will have a greetings with the patient or patient family, like hello, how are you, all this, and we will ask this. Then we will have a basic of normal information which we required. So like, not to get more information, not to get more trouble to the patient, as she is already in that much of pain and all this. So we will have a normal passport information, like the area information, then all this, because we are visiting the patient home, so we don't want to get hurt trouble, more trouble. Then we will say we will check the normal vital signs, like BP, um, height measurement, heartbeat, how pulse rate, tone of the uterus, natural discharge of the uterus, how is the natural discharge is going on. Then we will say, we will ask any, if the patient is have suffering from any trouble signs, for example, measuring the uterine tonicity, like uncontrollable pain and uncommon pain, vomiting, nausea, any kind of bleeding, any etc. Then we will say, we will ask the what is the diet going on in the for the patient, like proper nutrition is she is getting proper nutrition or not. We will ask all this. We'll say whether she is taking any drug, smoke, whether she is doing smoking. We'll discuss the for all the problems with having alcohol, with having smoking. Then we will say the patient to sit and then to lie on a bed. Then we will palpate her body, her abdomen. We will check all this thing. Then we will we will do a planning. This is the seventh step. We will do a planning. Recommended to visit school of preparation of childbirth and physiologist. In this, we will say whether what is the hospital in which the child is going to birth, how it will be occur, and how all this will say. Then we will say, then we'll ask the patient if she have any doubt or anything extra which she wants to ask. At the end, we will ask all this, and we will say if there is any other information which patient nurse can give, or which a patient wants to ask. Then we will collect the data in our book. We will write the name, gestation age, what is the problem, and then we will take a sign. And then we will at the last, we will say the our senior head doctor, gynecologist, about the uh, pato- uh, patronage, or outcomes, like what was the result and all that. So this, in this way we can help it. Thank you.